Welcome to the new interesting video of TSR Alerts, helps to stay on the top of markets. An alert is a notification that grabs your attention to a specific event. In this context, alerts can be set for price alert. The stock reaching a certain price level, set an alert for a specific stock or index price, like Nifty crossing above 26,000. It get notified when the price level is reached. Standard criteria alerts. It's a set alerts for a group of stocks that meet certain standard criteria. You can receive an alert when the 50 AMA crosses above the 200 AMA. Strategy-based alert. Stocks fulfilling criteria of your strategy. You can set an alert on your own strategy. What are the alert delivery mechanism in TSR? 1. Web alert. Receive alerts as pop-ups on the TSR website. Even if you are offline, you can view them later in the Alert tab. 2. Email alert. Get alerts sent directly to your registered email ID. Stay informed about market movements and trends without needing to log into the platform. 3. SMS Alert. Receive alerts directly on your registered mobile number via SMS. 4. WhatsApp Alert. Receive alerts directly on your registered mobile number via SMS. 5. Push notifications. Get instant alerts on your device via push notifications. Works on Android, Windows, using Chrome or Firefox. Let's see how TSR helps you to set a simple alert. Start from the TopStockResearch homepage. Click on the My TSR icon, located near the top right corner of the screen. In the Quick Links menu, scroll little bit and click on TSR Alerts. To create a new alert, click on the Add Stock Alerts button in the tab bar above the Alerts table. Now, click on Add Simple Alert. This will open a new pop-up window. In the Stock Alert pop-up, type the name desired stock into the Search a Stock field. For example, we are selecting TCS. Enter Alert Name field. You can give your alert a custom name. Choose the condition, for example above. Enter the target price as your preference. Click the Add Alert button to save and activate your simple stock alert. How to add a strategy alert in TSR? On the left side of the screen, find the vertical navigation menu. From the expanded menu, choose Custom Screener. Click on the Moving Average tab within the screener options. Select a specific moving average strategy, such as Compare to MAS. Set your strategy here with your preference or your custom strategy. Run the screener and get your results. This screener results. Scroll a little bit and click on Alerts. And the pop-up window will open. Here write the name of your alert and click on Next. On the second page, select Next. And add your alerts. And your strategy alert is set. The time-based alert options are available in strategy alerts like Specific Time Alert. In the Alert pop-up window, enter your alert name and click Next. Under Choose Alert Time, you will see two options. If you want to trigger the alert at an exact time, then select the fixed time and set your alert for fixed time. Time Range Alert. Time range is extension of specific time. This allows you to define a time window from start time to end time. Specific Day Alert. Along with specific time, you can also select a specific day of the week, like Monday, Friday, or any day you want. This ensures alerts are only triggered on the days you are actively trading. Stock Relevance. In the third step of the alert pop-up, there is a stock relevance option. Let's take a look at it. Show All displays all the stocks that match the criteria at the time the alert is triggered. And Show New displays only those stocks where the alert condition was recently met. How to add alert from chart pop-up? After selecting the strategy, run the screener and Open the pop-up chart of the stock you are viewing in TSR. At the top of the chart, you will see an option called Add Alert. Here you can set a simple alert. Here you can enter the alert name as your preference and relevant to you. And enter the price when you want to trigger your alert or want to set the alert at certain price. Set your condition and choose additional indicators if required. Click on Add Alert. Your alert is now successfully set. TSR supports alerts for various time frames. Intraday, for 1 minute to daily. EOD, end of day, for daily to monthly. This flexibility allows you to set alerts that fit your trading strategy and needs. Key features of TSR alerts. Simple and complex alerts. Set alerts for basic price movements or complex strategies. Web pop-up with buzzer sound. Get notified with a pop-up and sound on the web. Mobile notifications. Receive alerts via SMS, WhatsApp, or email. Triggered alert history. Track all triggered alerts. Multi-time frame support. Works on all ticks, 1 minute to monthly. Time-based alerts. Set alerts for specific times, range, or days. It's help you to stay ahead of the market with TSR Alerts' robust features. Why to use TSR Alerts? Efficient. Works efficiently for both simple price alerts and complex strategies. Fast. Over 90% of alerts are generated within 6 seconds. Multi-notification support. Supports various notification modes. Convenient. It helps you get instant updates without watching charts all day. User-friendly. Easier to add new alerts, manage existing ones, and review triggered alerts. It's efficient for all users and perfect for all users, from beginners to experts. In any case of queries, please click on Request for Demo link. We hope you found this session useful, and if so, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will bring another interesting video very soon. Till then, goodbye.